How to hide following list on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on a device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. After you do that, select on the gear icon. That will lead you to settings and privacy over here. So what you simply need to do is scroll down and you can just simply go back to your profile, as we don't have any options directly over here. So simply tap on your profile and you can simply tap on the option of three dotted lines over here. And here you can see the option of lock profile. So right now I've already locked my profile, which is why I get the option of unlock profile. But the process is same. So you can just go over here. So let me just first unblock this profile. And after I unlock this profile, you can just tap on three dotted lines over here and then select on the option of lock profile. So when you lock the profile, what happens is only friends will see your past, future photos, posts and stories on your profile, and they'll also be able to see the followers list or the following list. Otherwise, you'll be able to hide it from. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.